Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to start time trials. In the beginning, let's go to F1 World. Enter play and scroll to the right. Enter time trial and select F125 or F224. Select your car. Next select track. And now, try to beat your record. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.